How to use autoclicker on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you use autoclicker on iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the settings from your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to scroll down and go with the option accessibility. So simply tap on it. Alright, so from this section you'll have to scroll down and go with the option switch control. Okay, so from this switch control section you'll have to go with the option switches, and now from here tap on add new switch. From here you'll have to select screen, and from here you'll have to go with the option full screen like I have already did it, so I will have to back from here. Okay, so on the full screen section you'll have to go with the sections like default, and from here you'll have to set on this tap option. So after you select the tap option from here, you'll have to just back from here and make sure this is enabled on your system. So after you enable the switch from here, you'll have to just back from the switches, and from here from the switch control section you'll have to set the recipe or way that autoclicker will do. So simply tap on this recipe option. So from here you can go with this default autoclicker, or you can also create a new. So for that tap on create new recipe. From here tap on assign a switch, full screen, and from here you'll have to go with the option custom gesture, or you can also go with this default settings. So simply tap on custom gesture, and now from here you'll have to set the recipe or commands that what will autoclicker do. So simply you'll have to set the autoclicker commands. So after you set it like this, like tap on here, and you have to swipe off, and after you done this you'll have to just tap on this save option just at the top right corner. After you save it you'll have to just back from here, and after you added a recipe from here you'll have to just give a name here. So I will give this name for demo. Okay, so after you done this you'll have to just back from here, and from here you'll have to back from here, and from the accessibility section you'll have to scroll down and go with the options like accessibility shortcut. So simply tap on it. Okay, so from here you'll have to scroll down and you have to choose the options like switch control. So simply tap on it. Alright, so simply from here tap on continue to change the shortcut. So after you done this you'll be able to add an autoclicker on your iPhone. So to turn on that you'll have to just open any site or any screen on your iPhone. So after that you'll have to just press the power button 3 times. So after then the autoclicker will activate through the switch control option. So in this way you can use the autoclicker on iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.